Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dosa at home, starting with our essential batter. First, measure out 3 parts rice to 1 part urad dal, soaking them separately for at least 5 hours, perhaps even overnight. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, smooth grind. Then, blend these soaked ingredients into a creamy, thick batter, adding just enough water to help the blades move, ensuring a consistent texture. After grinding, fermentation is key. Place your batter in a warm location, ideally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 8 to 12 hours. You'll know it's ready when it has visibly doubled in size and carries a pleasant, slightly sour scent. Before cooking, gently stir the batter, and if it feels too thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water to reach a perfectly pourable, yet still substantial, consistency. The right pan makes all the difference for a perfect dosa. A well-seasoned cast iron or a quality nonstick pan works best. Heat your pan over medium-high flame until it's quite hot, so hot that a few drops of water immediately sizzle away. Next, gently grease the pan with a paper towel, lightly oiled, then cool it slightly with a small splash of water to control the temperature before spreading the batter. Now, for the spreading technique. Pour 1 full ladle of batter directly into the absolute center of your prepared, hot pan. Working swiftly, use the back of the ladle to spread the batter outwards in a continuous spiral motion, moving from the center towards the edges. The goal is to create a very thin, consistent layer across the entire surface, ensuring your dosa cooks evenly and becomes beautifully crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.